Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to clone a funnel inside GoHighLevel. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. Cloning is one of the easiest ways to save time when you want to reuse an existing funnel without rebuilding everything from scratch. Once you log into your GoHighLevel account, head over to the Funnels and Websites section where you'll see a list of your funnels. Find the funnel you'd like to duplicate and look over to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a menu with several options, and one of them is Clone. With a single click, GoHighLevel will create a complete copy of your funnel, including every step you've designed, such as the landing page, form, and thank you page. The copy will appear in your funnel list with a default name like Copy of Funnel Name. You can rename it to whatever fits your campaign, for example, Open House Funnel or Seller Leads Funnel. From there, you're free to edit the clone independently, so you can swap out images, change headlines, update forms, or adjust automations, all without affecting your original funnel. This feature is especially useful if you run multiple campaigns or need variations for different audiences. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can build a funnel once and duplicate it as many times as you need. In just one click, GoHighLevel makes it simple to launch new funnels quickly and efficiently. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.